it's Brittany, and today is moving day. We have actually been on the road for what, 3-4 hours now? Getting out of the house, getting it all cleaned up and out was kind of a mess this morning, so I didn't film anything there. But wanted to say happy moving day to us, and thank you so much for watching this video and joining us along on this journey from Washington State to Florida. We are currently in Yakima, Washington. It's almost like two hours to our first actual stop for the night, and then I will talk to you guys once we get to Pendleton, Oregon. But we are starting, we are going to our new home. Woo! Florida, here we come. Okay, we got the Chew. I don't know if you can see him, but he's in there. He's being a very good buddy. Yes, we got little doggy anxiety pills for him from the vet. So I gave him his little pill. He's doing great. He ate food this morning. He went potty last time we stopped. He's been drinking a little bit of water. This time, this first leg isn't so far this first day, so I'm not that worried about him. He's been doing a great job. But yeah, we're only 2 hours away from stopping for the entire night, so not too worried about him. The next day, tomorrow's not going to be as bad either, but the couple days after that will be a little bit longer, so hopefully he'll be annoyed. Well, he'll be annoyed. Hopefully he'll be a little bit better, getting used to kind of just being in the car with us. But yeah, I just can't believe it's finally here. We're just charging at the Tesla station. So Tesla charger, supercharger. Yeah, no, it's been really fun so far. Obviously it's first day, so we're not like tired yet, but we'll see how it goes. There's the buddy. I don't know if you can see him, but he's just chilling. He's being a good boy. He's such a good doggy. Good job, Chew. Alright, we are at another Tesla charging. Day 2. Didn't really film anything yesterday when we got to the hotel, but we are in Oregon now. Again, like I said, day 2. It was his first time kind of being in a hotel last night, so I was just trying to make sure that he was okay. He was fine. By the way, he was fine. Big trucks. But yeah, no, we just slept and then got up really early and we were back on the road, but we're back charging and this is our first stop. It's a perfect stop. It has a lot of good grass for dogs and stuff. So we are in Bakersfield. Wait, Bakersfield? Baker City. Oh, Baker City, Oregon. So it's kind of cool. It's nice. Do you like it, Chew? Do you like it, baby? Okay. Good boy, honey. Yeah, and he's doing good today as well, so yeah, he's just chilling. He ate his food this morning a little bit. He ate last night, so he's eating a little bit. Not as much as he does usually, but at least he's getting something in his tummy, so that's great. But day 2, we are here. Day 3, we are now currently just barely into Wyoming, and as we were driving, there's snow on the ground and on the cars, and it's 37 degrees. And of course, this is the stop that Blaine and I are like, oh, we're gonna wear our shorts and our t-shirts, because yesterday we were like sweating hard in the car, so we're like, oh, no, it's freaking freezing. It's freezing! Wyoming, why are you freezing? It is almost June! I don't know. But we're in Wyoming, day 3. Hopefully, well, we will end up in, where are we ending up today? Nebraska! Woo! Nebraska, here we come. Look at all the snow. Look at all that. It was snowing last night and a little bit this morning. I checked the weather when we were coming this way, and yeah, it literally snows here in the end of May. It's crazy. It's crazy. I did not expect that. Well, now we know. Hi, buddy. Okay, so at this, there is a red sumo guy. I think it's for this restaurant, but it's very interesting. But yeah, we're stopped in Wyoming at this charger. Okay, day 4. We are in Nebraska. We stayed in Nebraska last night. Got up this morning. We lost an hour because of the time change. But we are at our first stop, charging up. And like I said, we're in Nebraska, so we're a little over halfway now. Yes, so excited. Yeah, so Nebraska's been a bunch of nothing so far. So I think we stop in Lincoln, so we'll see what Lincoln holds. But right now it's a bunch of kind of flat land with trees, or just flat land. So it's very interesting to see kind of what each little state holds. But we'll see what Nebraska holds as we continue driving. But woo! Happy day 4! Hey, it's day 5. I think we're pretty much done with driving in the sense of we want to just be done. But we will be at the house tomorrow. So today we're in Missouri, we're passing through St. Louis, and then a few other states, and then we'll pass Nashville, and then we'll end up in Georgia. So here we go. And we made it to Nashville. Look at Nashville, being all Nashville-y. Whee! It's our last day of driving! Woo! We are leaving Georgia and then going all the way home. We're ready to be home. It's been a ride, literally. Woo! Okay, we just did our final charge stop. We are like an hour and 50 minutes away from our home, and I'm getting really freaking excited. We are gonna be home very soon. I can believe it. We've been in the car for way too long, but we're going to be home soon. Can't wait to see the house. Yay! Okay, last clip you saw was of us probably like an hour out on the road. We got here to the house, met our real estate agent, chatted for the first time in person. It was awesome. Kind of saw the house the first time, and then we unloaded the car, and we just kind of got settled, went to Target, did like the fun little Target run, got a few furniture pieces, and just kind of like tried to settle in. So yeah, sorry I didn't show you last night right when we got here, but we've been in the house for one night now. It's actually like 6:30 in the evening right now, and it's our second day in the house. Kind of my first day back at work too, so that was kind of fun. But yeah, I want to show you the house as is. It's not completely empty anymore because we obviously brought stuff in the car, and then, like I said, we went to Target, grabbed a few things just to like try to have. And we did order some stuff while we were on the road so it could come in, like a TV. We ordered a TV and some other stuff. So let's see the house. Okay, so I'm on the front door, like right behind this front door. So you come in and you see these really cool closets we have here at the front door. And then you come in to the left, and it's the main living room. Oh, and Chad also gave us this cute like stop sign, which is really nice. I think it's super cute. Again, we have some things. We got like a little patio set, which obviously will go outside or in the sunroom or both, whatever we want to put it, once our furniture comes. But I needed a place to kind of do my work. And then these curtains, the old owner left for us, so we just kind of haven't taken them down yet, which is fine. No biggies. But yeah, here's our TV that we just got, a nice fan. And then if you come over here, which is like right next to the front door, it's our bedroom. So like I said, we have a blow-up mattress that we brought in the car, got a bed, like comforter and stuff at Target yesterday, curtains again from the old owner. So we have two kind of cool windows. An older fan in here, so we'll probably replace it in the future. Chewy's little crate. And then back here, I have a cool like vanity thing, which I was super excited about. It has two awesome vanity lights and plenty of space for probably my makeup and then Blaine's stuff. But this will probably be my like makeup counter, which is like super exciting, like my own little vanity outside the bathroom. Because this bathroom isn't huge, so it's nice that they had this to kind of supplement for the space. But then we have our walk-in closet, which is really nice. And they had extra flooring that they left, so we might rip up this carpet and then just put the rest of the flooring in. Because it's such a, it's a big closet, but it's not huge, so like doing that in the doing the flooring in the closet would probably be pretty easy. So yeah, that's the closet. And then our bathroom is here. We got some cute white hexagon tiles. And then she ended up taking the mirror, which I did not know she was going to take the mirror. But so we are in the hunt for a bathroom mirror. But yeah, so toilet, we have a little window. Chewy jumped up on me today while I had my Spirit jersey on and got it dirty, so I had to wash it. Shower, all the whole 9 yards, everything. Yeah, so standard bathroom. We also have some more storage down here, which was nice. But again, nice to have this storage as well, which is really nice. Chewy doesn't know what the heck to do. What are you doing, buddy? No, get off the bed. Come on, follow mama. Come on, baby. Okay, so after the living room, we're gonna go into the dining room, which has these really cool, I kind of like them. I don't know if we're gonna keep them, but the iron rotted gate thingies. Chewy almost got his head stuck in it earlier because we had that really big piece of cardboard in front of it so that he wouldn't come and like lick the TV because he was trying to do that because he's weird. But yeah, so our table will go here, obviously the dining room. And then again, all the curtains were left here, but I actually kind of like these because at nighttime it's reflective and Chewy like freaks out. So these are nice to have. But yeah, this is the sunroom, which we had a wasp in it earlier and that was super fun. So welcome to Florida. Here's all the wasps. But yeah, so they have nice shades on them. Peep the pool outside. I might not take you outside today just because, again, there's like a lot of wasps and we have a bug terminator guy coming out next week. So I'll take you out there a little bit later. We can see it through the window in the back of the house a little bit better. But yeah, so there's the sunroom. And then this is the kitchen. And we loved the kitchen the most. It is the best. I fell in love with the kitchen. I knew I wanted a pretty much redone kitchen just because it's kind of a pain in the butt to do. But yeah, so we have the pantry and then the fridge is coming on Monday. So we are currently eating out of canned foods and snacks. But you know what? YOLO. So, and then this is the pantry. We never had a pantry before. So I'm super duper stoked to have an actual pantry. And then this is the other, more of the front room, which we don't know what we're going to do with this room yet. But it has really pretty beams on top. And I really, really like them. And then kind of our bar setup. We did order these bar stools ahead of time off of Amazon so they would get here. So we'd have somewhere to sit. And then we ended up going and getting the little bit of furniture we got over there. But it's okay. We have a couple places to sit. And then we also grabbed these, which will go outside, which is really nice. And they're really cheap from Target. But yeah, so we're going to go into the guest bedroom first. So this is the guest bedroom. Just a nice little bedroom. Where's the light? I need to get the light on. How do I turn this light off? There we go. Yeah, so this will be great for guests. We'll put a queen bed in here whenever it comes on the storage. Nice closet, nothing super fancy, but it'll do. Oh, the closet, or the backyard. You can see the backyard really well from this window. Yay! So we have some palm trees, our beautiful pool, awesome fence. There's a shed over in that corner. Can't really see it, but yeah, the backyard is gorgeous. But like I said, there's literally wasps like right in these like panes right here. So we're just gonna wait for somebody to come and make him go bye-bye before, well, I take Chewy out, but sadly I just don't want to go outside that often because of it. I'll probably go in the pool sometime soon, but we're still just kind of, hi Chewy, just checking on things. This is going to be Blaine and I's office, so it's very big. And a fun fact, I don't know how or why, But they painted these walls, the ones that are white, with like glitter paint. I actually kind of like it because I like glitter, but I was like, what? There's glitter paint? Alrighty then. But yeah, so we'll have our desks, probably my desks, and then Blaine's desks. And then probably my gallery wall here. And we have a nice big closet, has a lot of good storage in it. And this matches the one that is up in the front of the house when you first enter the door, which I thought was really cool. Potentially might paint them white. I don't know yet though. And then let's go over here. This is the guest bathroom. Pretty simple, pretty standard setup. Shower, tub, toilet. Love the flooring in this house. But this is such a nice big vanity. Lots of storage. If family and friends come over, I'll probably take more baths in that tub because I love my baths. But yeah, it's very nice. And then that's the garage. So yeah, that is kind of the tour of the house as is right now. Kind of an empty house tour, but we do have a few things. But we're still definitely a work in progress. Our stuff is probably not going to be here for another 20 days. So we're just trying to make the best of it, get used to the area. We're probably going to go to Disney soon. I think we're just trying to settle into the house before we go to Disney. But obviously I'm itching to go to Disney. So we'll probably go to Disney Springs soon, try to get an annual pass, and kind of go from there. But yeah, thank you for following along or watching this video. And if you were on my Instagram for following along on our crazy journey of our 6-day trip across the country to go from Washington State to Florida, we are super excited to finally be in our home. It's been a long time coming. We have some fun projects we want to do for the house. Obviously, first step is literally just getting our furniture here, moving in, getting settled, getting used to the area. But so far, so great. I also can't wait to use the pool. It's going to be super fun. But yeah, I hope you love this video, and I have plenty more content to come. Lots of Disney content, lots of house content. So just stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you real soon.